Hey guys, tonight you're going to be doing homework, lesson 7 for modular 7. Tonight we get to look at this fun thing, and we're going to use tetrominoes. Have you ever played the game Tetris before? We're going to use pieces that are just like that, okay? Tomorrow in class we'll actually get to cut out these shapes and kind of work with them. But when number 1 says color tetrominoes on the grid to create 3 different rectangles, you may use the same tetromino more than once. So remember, to be a rectangle, it has to have 4 sides, it has to have 4 right angles, opposite sides must be parallel, okay? And so I'm just going to give you an example of one, but guess what? You can't use mine, so you got to come up with your own. So I'm going to use this cube here. I'm going to have, there's one of them. Now I could stop there if I wanted, but I'm just going to get a little fancy and do the second one, third one, and a fourth one. I'm going to outline all these so you can see my different ones. If you see here, I can come and separate them out this way and this way. So I used 4 different pattern blocks of the same kind. I want to show you how these can intermix too. Do you recognize this shape? So it comes down here too, goes over two, and then down just like that. Now these have to interlock because for it to be a rectangle there can be no space. So do you see my different size rectangles? I'm sorry, not rectangles, tetrominoes. They all fit in here. You can rotate them, so I can also take this one and I can rotate it or twist it, and I can fit another one in that way. Did I just make another rectangle using my tetrominoes? I have right angles, 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides. This side is 3, this side is 3, so opposite sides are the same length and they're parallel. And I have 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top. So that one works. So you need to find 3 different rectangles. Okay, and they have to be different than the 2 that I've demonstrated for you today. Question 2 on the back says color tetrominoes on the grid below to create a square with the area of 16 square units. Remember, area is the amount of squares on the inside. Okay, create at least 2 different rectangles, each with an area of 24 square units. So to create a square with an area of 16, and create at least 2 different rectangles with an area of 24 units. So if I want an area of 16, you may use the same tetromino more than once. I'm going to use this guy. Okay, same thing again. So right now I have an area of 4, don't I? But I want a square with an area of 16. So let's do another one. How many blocks do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8. And let's do it some more. Okay, let's see. Draw those out so you can see them separate here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is 16 square units. Okay, let's see if it's a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So all sides are equal. It has 4 sides. It has 4 right angles. So this is a square with an area of 16 square units. Okay, there's another way that you can make this without using these squares. Can you figure it out? Try and figure that out on your homework tonight.